Hello, my name is David Lund. I'm a commercial photographer. I specialize in shooting liquids. I'm a big broncolor fan. I've used their kit, I think, for maybe 12 years now, maybe 13 years. And they've sent me this new snazzy looking product. It's, as they say, small but mighty. It's called the RFS. And in short, it's a trigger system. You attach it to your camera. It controls the flash. Okay, doesn't sound very exciting. However, we know that light transforms how an image looks. It completely controls how it feels. So small incremental changes can sometimes have very big results. Can apply same increased power across all lights. Go back to the interface. We've got studio sync. We can control the timing, how long it stays on and off. The display, little features, but little features well thought out and useful. Brightness of display, how long it stays on, and of course we can sync it with a lighting system. And what this does, it allows you a very efficient way to be creative and try those parameters with the lighting. So that's the RFS lighting trigger system from broncolor.